And the modern version of the Datsun 2000 is the 84 Pontiac Fiero Sport Coupe. Bright red over black and gray, 17,000 actual miles. 2 owners from new, just immaculately preserved. This has got a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, 4-speed manual. Again, an affordable classic, something that you can enjoy. Oh, they're fun to drive, and they'll get a thumbs up everywhere you go, and you stop at the gas station, and everybody will want to know what it is. And Pontiac to a lot of people is foreign. They haven't seen.
And Fieros used to be all over the place. I mean, now it's rare to see one.
Yeah, you don't see them hardly at all anymore, and I don't know why that is. And of course, the last version is the GT. The GT with a 5-speed get rag manual, and it was the most power. And then they just stopped making it.
That's it.
We got it good, and then we quit.
But it's a mid-engine car, and the C8 is not the first mid-engine car
exactly.
from GM. So.
Yeah, there weren't a lot of those around, so it's like for parts cars and things like that, they're just...
That's the problem, finding a fender for something or, all that stuff comes into play when people want to collect something. They think, oh, if I ever buy this and I drive it and something goes wrong, how am I going to fix it?